Welcome back to another episode of City to Suburbs. I'm here in downtown Lisle at the train stop. There is a 36-minute express train into the city. Lisle is the smallest of all the suburbs we're going to be looking at. It is a suburb of 28,000 people, and I can't wait to show you everything it has to offer. There is everything from great pizza, the urban wine kitchen for incredible wine, and then my ultimate favorite, Yerba Buena. It has wonderful Mexican food as well as a terrific rooftop. Let's go check it out. Another great spot is NWB. If you like whiskey, great food, this is where you should check out. And one of my kids' favorites for churros is right here. Let's go inside. In addition to great restaurants, you have everything from a great bakery, coffee shop, flower shop, salon, and barber shop. Chicago has two different train depots, Union Station and Oglesby. The train stop we're at right now heads into the Union Station stop, as well as Naperville, which is the next stop on the train line. Lisle has so many homes, from wonderful single-family homes, older homes that have been renovated, as well as some homes that have been torn down to make bigger homes. Lisle is an excellent choice if you not only want a cute downtown, but easy access to the expressway. I'm Johanneson with Properties Christie's International, and I'd love to be your realtor of choice.